All right, wanted to do a product demonstration here of the DAP Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch. Seems pretty simple. So we press in the damaged area so it's clean. Put on the patch. Press firmly outside the damaged area. And then they want you to come back after you put a coat of paint on, peel that off, put 2 more coats of paint on. On this other hole here where we had to go through the fire block with this circuit here, well, you're going to go with the Fast Patch. So the Fast Patch, 31 repairs, it's already pre-textured. Peel, what do we got here? Peel, stick, and paint. Pretty simple. Let's give it a try. Comes with a center reinforcement patch, and then you go over it with the pre-textured Fast Patch. So same, we'll just peel it off, make sure the area is clean, nothing's protruding. Peel it off, stick on the center reinforcement patch, press firmly outside of the damaged area, and then grab the, these are textured walls, so we'll grab the pre-textured wall patch, 6-inch. Peel it off. Stick it on. Press firmly outside the damaged area. And then it's done. You can go to paint. So this is rapid. This one's done. This one requires a coat of paint, peel the label off, 2 more coats of paint, and then after you do that, you'd have to come back and texture it and put another coat of paint, or you could just be done right here, peel, stick, paint, already textured, and then just go to paint, done. So I'm thinking this thing's not so rapid. So my thought is, get rid of this. Let's go to a product that actually is quick. The Fast Patch. U.S. made, 100% made in America, not source goods like the DAP piece of product. Again, it's a textured wall, so we're going to go with the textured patch. Peel it off. Stick it on. Press firmly outside the damaged area. And there you go. Peel, stick, paint. 100% made in America. Done.